Hi everyone, we're back to finish up the activity-based costing example. You should have what's showing on the screen right now, which is that you should have up to step 3 all finished. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of the information that we have, we're going to use it to allocate costs to our two products that we make. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here and we're going to be allocating costs to our products. Okay, so here's the information about the standard stanchions. They require no new design resources. 30,000 units were ordered with 600 separate orders. Each stanchion requires 35 minutes of machine time for a total of 17,500 machine hours. Okay, so let's look at each of our cost pools and see how much cost we have to allocate to this product. Remember, our customer orders are $320 per order, and what this tells us is there were 600 separate orders. So just like we do applying overhead, we're going to apply the customer order cost by multiplying the 320 times the 600, and that's going to give us 192,000. Okay. All right, so next up, product design. So what does it tell us? It tells us there are new design resources. So our product design, our cost is $630, but we don't have any activity. So there's not going to be any cost here. Okay. And then our order size, our rate here is $19 per machine hour. And it tells us that we have 17,500 machine hours. So we're going to multiply the 19 by 17,500, and that will give us $332,500. So our total activity-based cost for the standard stanchions for overhead is going to be these two added together, $524,500. All right, so next up we're going to allocate cost to the custom compass housing. And here's the information that we need for that. It tells us that it does require new design resources. There are 400 separate orders, 400 custom designs prepared, and 1,200 compass housings produced, requiring 2 machine hours each for a total of 2,500 machine hours. Okay, so again, our customer order rate is $320. They're telling us that there were 400 separate orders, so we're going to multiply the 320 times 400, and that's going to give us here 128,000. Our product design rate was $630 per design, and we have 400 custom designs. So we're going to multiply 630 by 400, and that's going to give us 252,000. Line up my numbers there. Okay, and then next is the order size, which was $19, and we have 2,500 machine hours. So 19 times 2,500 is going to give us 47,500. Again, we're going to add up all of our ABC costs to get the total overhead cost for custom compass housing. So that comes to 427,500. Okay, so now we have all of our overhead. Next thing that we're going to do is find our total unit product cost. So remember, product costs consist of materials, labor, and overhead. Okay, so we're making 30,000 units of the standard stanchions, and we're making 1,250 units of the custom compass housing. And we know that our direct materials, they give us the number here is 300,000. So we'll put that here. And Here it's going to be 675,000. Our direct labor will be 90,000 here. And here will be 261,250. Okay, so now we're going to put our overhead costs in that we calculated before. So the standard stanchion had in custom orders $192,000. In product design we had 0. And under order size we had 332,500. For custom compass housing, our custom orders was 128,000. Our product design 252,000. And our order size 47,500. All right, we're going to add these up and we get our total cost is 914,500 for the standard stanchions. Let's put an underline there so we know that we stopped there to add things up. And for our custom compass housing, we total 1,363,750. All right, so to find our cost per unit, we're just going to take our total cost, 914,500 here, divided by 30,000 units, and that's going to give us $30.48. Here we're going to do the same thing. Take the 1,363,750, and we're going to divide it by the 1,250 units that we made of custom compass housing. That's going to give us $1,091. Okay, so that's all we have for our ABC costing example. I hope you find it helpful. As always, please write if you have any questions.